Dear students, this is part 6 of this chapter. Here in this lecture we will be discussing the chemical and physical properties of alkenes. Alkenes are the hydrocarbons that contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. They have a general formula CnH2n where N starts from 2. Naming of alkenes. Their name has two parts that are the root name and the end name. For two carbon compounds we have it and adding "ene" at the end, the final name would be ethene. Similarly, for three carbon atoms, it will be propene, for four, it will be butene, and for five, it will be pentene. But after at four carbon atom compound, that is at butene, we can suggest the position of double bond, such as if the double bond is at first carbon, then it is but1ene, and if the double bond is at second carbon, then it will be but2ene. Similarly, in other compounds, we can suggest the position of double bond. Now the structural formula of alkenes. For example, we have ethene, whose molecular formula would be C2H4, and the structural formula would be C double bond C, and with two hydrogens with each carbon atom. Similarly, with propene, having formula C3H6, we have three carbon atoms, and at first carbon atom we have a double bond, and then the rest of the valencies are balanced by hydrogens. Now the physical properties of alkenes. Alkenes are soluble in organic solvents, that are they are insoluble in water. Similarly, they have less density than water. They are less denser than water, and they cannot conduct electricity at any state. They have very low melting as well as boiling points. Now the chemical properties of alkenes. Alkenes show combustion reaction, addition reaction, and polymerization reactions, the main reactions that are shown by alkene. In addition reaction, we have various types of molecules that get added to alkenes, that is addition of hydrogen, addition of halogens, that is halogenation, similarly addition of hydrogen halides, similarly addition of water, that is hydration, and addition of hydroxyl groups. Chemical properties of alkenes. First, combustion reaction. Alkenes burn in excess oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. For example, we have here ethene that is burned in oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Alkenes burn with a sootier flames as compared to alkanes because alkenes have a high percentage of carbon in their molecules than alkanes, and as such this becomes a test for differentiating alkenes from alkynes and alkanes. Addition of hydrogen. Alkenes are unsaturated and they have a space to add some molecules. Here an alkene like ethene is added with hydrogen, and as such the addition of hydrogen forms an alkane, that is a saturated carbon compound. This process takes place with the help of a catalyst, and such a process is known as catalytic hydrogenation.